Welcome students. In this video, I have given explanation, thereafter visuals, and finally the question and answers of this entire lesson. This will be followed by one more video which will have only the visuals, explanations along with the visuals that come as subtitles and music. So please, without fail, watch the visuals because the visual impact will really help you to learn faster. Thank you, students. इति उक्त्वा तस्मिन् सः तपोधनयुवा किञ्चित् उपदर्शितस्मितः माम् अवादीत्. This while the companion spoke to me, the handsome young sage smiled at me subtly and spoke to me. Pundarika became bold and mischievous in love the same way Mahashweta was. He then starts speaking with her. Ayi kutuhalini, kim anena prashnayasena. O curious girl, why are you tiring yourself with so many questions? Yadi ruchita surabhi parimala, tada grihyatam iyam. If you like the smell of the flowers, then take them by all means. Surabhi parimala both mean fragrance. Iti uktva samupashritya. Thus saying so, he came near me. Atmiyat shravanat apaniya. Remove the flowers from his earlobe. Madiye Shravanapute tam akarod and placed it atop mine. Shravana means ear, Shravanaputa is earlobe. Mama tu tat karatala sparshalobhena takshanam aparam iva parijata kusuma avatamsastane. Pulakam asid. When he touched me, I experienced something indescribable and got goosebumps in the ears, where correctly at that place he had placed the flower bunch. Sahacha mat kaphola sparsha sukhena tarali kritanguli jalakad karatalad akshamalam lajjaya saha galitam api na agnasid. His hands, fingers shivered by the pleasure of touching my cheek and did not notice the akshamala slipping out of his hand in that embarrassment. Atha aham tam asampraptam eva bhutalam akshamalam grihitva salilam tat bhuja pasha sandhanita kantagraha sukam eva anubhavanti darshita apurva haralata leelam kantabharanatam anayam. I grasped the akshamala before it could reach the ground and playfully adorned it on my neck, thinking that it was indeed the grasp of his hand around my neck and enjoyed this touch. Uchalitayam chamayi dvitiyaha munidarakaha tam avadit. Sake pundarika na etat anurupam bhavataha. While I had left, the second young sage spoke to me. O friend Pundarika, your behavior is not correct. Uchalita aham becomes Uchalitayam chamai. This is Sati Saptami. While I was going in the front, Uchalita Kta Pratyaya. At that time, the Dvitiya Munidarakaha, he spoke. Tam Avadit, he spoke. So the first instance, Uchalita Aham, comes in Saptami. The Saptami of Uchchalita is Uchchalitayam. Aham is Mai. This is Sati Saptami. Like Dasharataha Mritaha Ramaha Vanam Gatava. So when you have to put the first instance, Dasharataha Mritaha, you put it as Dasharate Mrite. That is Sati Saptami. At that time, Ramaha Vanam Gatava. Same way, this is also Sati Saptami. And here, when she was going in the front, at that time, the whole thing is Sati Saptami. The Dvitiya Munidaraka, that is Kapinjala, he spoke this way. Dhairyadanaha hi sadavaha. The wealth of a sage is only courage. Kva te tad dhairyam? Where is your courage? Kva asau indriyajayaha? Have you not won over your senses? Dhairyam here means the braveness to see what is reality. Only then a person can control his senses. Then, what is the meaning of Indriya Jaya? When any attraction, when any distraction occurs, that ascetic should be able to distract himself from this distraction in the proper way. He should use certain tactics, that is, to divert to his mind and win over his sense organs. That is what Kapinjala is telling Pundarika here. Kva te guru padeshaha? Have you forgotten the Guru's advice? Katam karatalat galitam api na lakshayasi. How come you have not noticed that the Akshamala had slipped out of your hand? Aho vigata chetanatvam. Oh, senseless behavior. Apahruta nama iyam. Idamapi tavat apahriyamanam anaya anaryaya nivaryatam hrudayam. She, the wicked girl, has taken your heart, Verity, so stop the heart from being stolen. Apahriyamanam is the adjective for Hrudayam, Sanach Pratyaya. So it is being taken away. By whom it is being taken away? Anaryaya. By this wicked lady. Anaya Anaryaya. By this wicked lady. What should he do for that? Nivaryatam. It should be stopped. Lot Pratama Ekavachan Atmanepati. Tada saha kinchit upajata lajjaha eva. Pratyavadit. Then he with a little shame replied, Sake Kapinjala, O friend Kapinjala. Now Pundarika is feeling ashamed. Now this has never happened to him. He meeting a beautiful girl, falling in love, and he was caught unawares. Now his friend is advising him to finish his goal, that is his studies, and before that he cannot deviate from his path. So he's asking him to go on the right track, and for this Pundarika is showing embarrassment because for the slight deprivation he had shown. Kim anyatha sambhavayasi. Why do you mistake me? Iti abhidaya. After having said that, alika kopa kantena. With the radiance of false anger. Prayatna virachita bhishana bhrukuti bhushanena spuritadharena mukhenduna. With his moon-like radiant face that had put on a lot of effort to appear angry. This he did by contorting his eyebrows. When a person in reality is not angry, but he has to appear that he is angry and he pretends so, he does so by contorting his face. Contorting means making a lot of effort to turn and twist his face. So he's putting in a lot of effort because inwardly it is full of happiness and he's not a good actor. And how does anger appear on the face? When the brew or the brow, it comes together in the forehead. That is called the Bhrukuti. That middle point of both the brows is called Bhrukuti. So when a person has that on his face, you can say that he is angry. So this boy Pundarika does it so as to appear angry and appease his friend Kapinjala, so as to say that no, he's going in the right path and he will not go into a dalliance. Pundarika begins to talk to Mahashweta. Mam Avadat. He spoke to me. Chapale, you fickle girl. Pradeshat asmat iyam akshamalam adatva padat padamapi nagantavyam iti. Don't you dare keep another step without giving back my akshamala. The phrase tat chashrutva aham atmakantat unmuchya ekavalim. On hearing that, I removed the ekavali or one line necklace from my neck and said, Bhagavan, O sir, grihyatam akshamala iti. Take your akshamala. Mahashweta is being bold in love and she is showing her affection and love this way. मन्मुखासक्तदृष्टेः शून्यहृदयस्य अस्य प्रसारिते पाणौ निधाय. To him whose eyes were attracted to my face and whose heart was zero, in that person's hands that were spread out, I placed the Akshamala. Pundarika is unable to hide his true feelings. He is unhappy, no, not unhappy, very upset that he has to get separated from her. And he shows it out with his despondent look, but all the while his face being attracted and pulled towards Mahashweta. Sweda salila snata api punaha snatum avataram. I was drenched with the sweat of passion, so I got down the lake to bathe again. Utthaya च कथमपि प्रयत्नेन नीयमाना सखी जनेन बलात् अम्बया सह तम एव चिन्तयन्ति स्वभवनम ayasisham. I got up and with a lot of effort was led by my friends alongside my mother, and while I was thinking of him only all the time, I finally somehow reached my house. एकवाक्येन संस्कृतभाषायाम् उत्तरं लिखत. So you get them for 1 marks each. महाश्वेतायाः पिता कः? हंसः. महाश्वेता कं प्रति स्ववृत्तान्तं कथयति? चन्द्रापीडम्. महाश्वेता स्नातुं कुत्र आगच्छति? अच्छोदं सरः. Both are द्वितीया विभक्ति नपुंसकलिंग. महाश्वेता किम अजिघ्रत्? कुसुमगन्धम्. श्वेतकेतोः तनयः कः? पुण्डरीकः. तनयः means son. पुण्डरीकः. महाश्वेतायाः माता का? The mother of Mahashweta, Gauri. पुण्डरीकस्य सखा कः? Friend, Kapinjalaha. Lakshmi Vasa Bhavanani Kani. What are all in the house of Lakshmi? Kamalani. Shira Sagarat Udgataha Padapaha Kaha. What is the tree that came from the churned ocean? Parijataha. Divyaloka Nivasi Mahamunihi Kaha. Who is that divine sage? Shvetaketuhu. Dvitraihi vakyaihi likata. Write 2 or 3 lines. Mahashvetayaha vapushi yauvanam khatam padam kritam. How did youth set its foot in the body of Mahashveta? In time, fresh youth approached Mahashveta as a honey month, Madhumasa in the spring season, fresh shoots in the honey month, flowers in the fresh shoots, bees in the flowers, and intoxication in the bees. This comes in the page 49, first paragraph, last part of it. Kidrisham kusumagandham ajigramiti Mahashveta vadati. What kind of a fragrance Mahashveta smell? But for this you should write the scenery when Mahashveta entered Achodasaras. Then one day in the month of honey, that is Madhumasa, Mahashveta went down with her mother to the Achodas lake to bathe. When the spring's beauteous flora was spread wide in the lake and all of Achodas lotus, white, blue, pink and lilies were in full bloom. And at a certain spot, Mahashveta smelled the fragrance of a flower strongly borne on the wind. Its great sweetness seemed to delight and fill the sense of smell. Bees followed it, seeking it to make it their own. It was truly a perfume unknown and fit for the gods. Pranamavasare Mahashveta Kidrishi Asit. How was Mahashveta at the time of saluting? That is Pundarika. Mahashveta wanted to hug Pundarika, and with that feeling, she experienced horripilation all over her body, that is goosebumps. She was covered with the sweat of passion from head to toe. She saw him without even closing her eyelids for a second. While drinking in his beauty, she thought that he was really one of a kind of Manmata. Indeed, immediately love entered her heart, and then she saluted him. This wonderful question keeps repeating in your public exam. Pundarikasya Anuragam Mahashveta Katam Janati. How did Mahashveta come to know about Pundarika's love for her? Pundarika, upon seeing Mahashveta, was taken aback by her beauty. Caught unawares and inexperienced with the ways of the world, he at once exhibited his feelings. His hand trembled as he was overcome with the love and passion, and while he did not notice it, the Akshamala slipped down from his hand. Mahashveta, on noticing it, understood his emotions and again experienced an extraordinary feeling. That is her first love, Anuragodayaha. पाठनाम उल्लिख्य कः कं प्रति अवदत् इति संस्कृतभाषया लिखत. Who said to whom and lesson's name. तथापि यति कुतूहलं तत् कथयामि. कः पाठः अनुरागोदयः, which I will not repeat again. अनुरागोदयः. कः वदति महाश्वेता. कं प्रति चन्द्रापीडम्. भगवन् किम् अभिधानः. कः वदति महाश्वेता. कं वदति कपिञ्जलम्. पुण्डरीक इति नाम चक्रे. कः वदति कपिञ्जलः. कं वदति महाश्वेताम्. द्वितीया स्त्रीलिंग. किम् अनेन प्रश्नायासेन. कः वदति पुण्डरीकः. कं वदति महाश्वेताम्. धैर्यधनाः हि साधवः. दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट. कः वदति कपिञ्जलः. कं वदति पुण्डरीकम्. किं माम् अन्यथा संभावयसि. कः वदति पुण्डरीकः. कं वदति कपिञ्जलम्. The essays, we'll discuss them. You can see all the notes and essays, grammar, everything in Learn Lingo. Kidrisha Munikumarakam Apashyamiti Mahashveta Vadati. What kind of a prince or what kind of a rishi's son she saw, says Mahashveta. So you have to write the introduction for all the questions. Anywhere you see any essay, doing short note, Anuvada, you write the lesson's name. Okay, so this is the introduction. Write the lesson's name, write the author's name. Then that is Kadambari Banabhatta. Then you talk about Chandrapita being told by Mahashveta a story. And then her love with Pundarika. Now this is about Pundarika. Now page 50, first 2 paragraphs fully have to write. Okay, so the answers are given in Learn Lingo. Conclude conclusion for this answer I can tell you. The rest you can see in Learn Lingo. Fresh and first love is portrayed by Bana, making us think how much he understood human emotions. Tapodana Yuvanam Drishtva Mahashweta Kim Achintayat. What did Mahashweta think after seeing Pundarika? You have to write the same answer that you have written for the previous question. That is the first two paragraphs in page number 50. Pundarikasya Atma Vrittantam Likata. The biography of Pundarika. Write introduction, Bana, lessons name Kadambari, Chandrapida, Mahashweta, Pundarika, all those things. Then page number 50, last paragraph till page number 51, first paragraph you have to write, and it is given in a short form. I have elaborated and given, so you kindly see Learn Lingo. You have to also give quotations for not only this, any essay you try to give a quotation. I have given quotation for almost all the essays. This is narrated by Kapinchila. This question, no, in the form of sentences in the book, it's narrated by Kapinchila. Pundarika Mahashwetayoho Sarasa Samvadaha Likata. Conversation between Pundarika and Mahashweta. You write the 51 pages, last 3 paragraphs, you have to write fully. Manjushataha Suktam Padam Chitva Riktasthanam Purayata. So you have some extra also. This is fill in the blanks. Tayoho aham idrishi atmaja samutpanna. Atmaja is the missing word. Then blank gandham abhyajigram kusuma. Kusuma is the answer. Bhagavataha ashesha tribhuvana rupa sundaram blank and then asit. So it is rupam. Anaya anaryaya nivaryatam and blank hrudayam. Extra questions. Bhagavan Grihyatam blank Akshamala. Angebhyaha Niragat. What is the fill in the blank? Romancha Chalakam. Samyojayata. Match the following. Alamkaram Eva Brahmacharyasya. Hamsaha Gauri. Vilasam Eva Saraswatyaha. Pundarikaha Rishi Kumarakaha. Now extra question is Ayugma Lochanaha Shivaha Madanaha Rati. Rekangitani Padani Ashritya Prashna Nirmanam Kuruta. Form questions. Gandharvadipatihi Hamsaha Kaha. Ambaya Saha Snatum Abhyagamam Kaya. Bhagavataha Sundaram Rupam Asid. Kasya, that is, this is for Bhagavataha. Kaya is for Ambaya, that is Tritiya Vibhakti, and Kaha is for Hamsaha, which is Pratama Ekavachan. So extra questions. Apsarasam Kule Kanyaka Prasuta. So Kanyaka is Pratama Ekavachan, so it is Ka. Pitru Bhavane Kalam Yapayati Sma. So Pitru Bhavane is Saptami, so Kutra. Page number 122. Sandhim Vibhajata Vananilena. Vana plus Anilena. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Rate Riva. Ratehe Iva. Refadesha Visarga Sandhi. Tad Rupam. Tat plus Rupam. Jashtva Sandhi. Now Sandhim Yojayata. Join the Sandhi. Makara Ketuhu plus Utpaditaha. Makara Ketur Utpaditaha. So this is Refadesha Visarga Sandhi. Tataha plus tataha. Tatastataha. Sakaradesha Visarga Sandhi. Dhautaha plus cha. Dautascha. Again. Schutva Sandhi. Not again. It is Chutva Sandhi. Write the Vigraha Vakyas. Vigraha Vakyam Likata. Mukulita Lochana. Mukulite Lochane Esyaha Sa. Bahuvrihi. Muni Kumarakam. Munehe Kumarakaha Tam. Sashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Surabhi Parimala. Surabhi Chasa Parimala. Karmadareya Samasa. Samasta Padam Likata. Write the whole one word. Madiyam kapolam, mat kapolam. Shashti tatpurusha samasa. Guroho upadeshaha, gurupadeshaha. Shashti tatpurusha samasa. Acchoda iti saraha. This is karmadare samasa. Linga vibhakti vachanani likata. Write gender, case and number. Salilam napumsakalingam prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. Ambaya strilingam tritiya eka. Write tense, person and number. Lakara purusha vachanani likata. Apashyam lang uttama eka. Abravit is also the same. Pada parichayam kuruta. Analyze the word. Snatum tumun pratyayaha. Adaya lyap pratyayaha. Anyata avyayam. Vachyam parivartayata. Change the voice. Aham munikumarakam apashyam. Maya munikumarakaha adrishyata. Now aham, if you see apashyam, it is parasmepati and it is in active. So it is an active sentence. You have to make it into passive. So what happens is apashyam, the subject for apashyam is aham. So aham will become maya, tritiya vibhakti. Now the aham munikumarakam, munikumarakam is object. That will become prathama vibhakti, munikumarakaha. Now apashyam in atmanepati lang will become adrishyata. Nivaryatam hrudayam. Now if you see nivaryatam, it is atmanepati. So it is passive sentence. Nivaryatam hrudayam, it is lot lakara. So you put nivaryatam lot lakara in active, which becomes either nivarayatu or nivaraya. Both you can use. And hrudayam is napumsakalinga, it becomes the same. The alankarams in Anuragodayaha are not very clear. So even then, I am giving them to you. Please take down. They have not been clearly given by the PU board. Bashpa bindu bihi arachitamiva spatikakshamalam. It looks like upama alankara, but you have to write it as utpreksha. It's actually a metaphor, but the metaphor is really exaggerated. So you write utpreksha and write the lakshanam sambhavana syat utpreksha. Now kusuma gandena madhukari iva akrishyamana. Now the alankaram is upama. It looks like like kusuma gandha, she is being pulled and all, it is given. But what happens is the metaphor is a metaphor. The kind of feel that we get, it looks like she is herself a madhukari, and you get the feel of spring and the madhukari or honeybee. So we have to take it as a heightened exaggeration, that is utpreksha. Then vilasameva saraswatyaha munikumarakam apashyam, the third one. So same way it looks like upama, but we have to take it as utpreksha. Yakandre idlali metaphor tara barutte. That is that he looks like that Saraswati's development, which is something abstract, you can't even feel it. So that development and eloquence has become a human form, anta, that is utpreksha, heightened imagination. So you get a feel of metaphor which is heightened. So most of them here are utpreksha. The students, the rest that are given will not come for the public. Okay, so they have asked for alankaras. The alankaras are not spashta in your PU board, even according to PU board. So that's it. So in Yogyata Vistaraha, the second one we are doing, Lyabanta Avyaya, Pranipatya, Utpadya and Unmuchya you can write. And for Kvanta you can write Gatva, Ktva and Uktva. Now for translation, so Tayoho aham idrishi atmaja samutpana. To both of them I was born as such a kind of a daughter. Bhagavan kim asya abhidanaha. Oh Lord, what is his name? So for the next one, and dhairya danaha hi sadavaha. Now brave sages are really brave people. Then ekada aham ambaya saha acchodaha saraha abhyagamam. Once I went along with my mother to the Acchodas lake. This is what you have to write.